So today we are going to live. This is my first live, proper first live, and the agenda is very clear that we are going to apply for at least 10 jobs, 10 to 20 jobs today. And yeah, let's begin. Let me just post. Okay, so this is my current resume. All right, what are my skills? Okay, let's give it to GPT and let's ask what he thinks about my resume. Right. Photos and files. Okay. Make me one master resume from my core skills and make it in such a way that you can make a child resume from it. So इसमें क्या कर रहा है ना कि we are creating a master resume. ठीक है, master resume is what the entire structure of your skills and everything, which is hardcore structure of your what do we say, core skills and core projects will be the same, right? And derived resume according to JD, मतलब जितना जो भी JD रहेगा ना उसका resume derive करेंगे हम using these skills. तो इसमें हम लोग क्या चेंजेस करेंगे कि जैसे कि मान के चलो उसका मेन गोल है कि वो सी प्लस प्लस डेवलपर हायर करना चाहती है, तो हमारा जो पहला वो रहेगा, पहला जो प्रेफरेंस रहेगा, जो सबसे पहला हम अपने स्किल्स में डालेंगे सी प्लस प्लस। अगर उसका पहला प्रेफरेंस है जावा स्क्रिप्ट, ठीक है, तो इफ़ वी आर प्रोफिशिएंट इन सी प्लस प्लस एज वेल एज जावा स्क्रिप्ट, वी विल फर्स्ट राइट जावा स्क्रिप्ट in our skills section, and we will highlight our project whatever, let's say कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाया हमने जावा स्क्रिप्ट पे, ठीक है, फुल स्टैक। सो वो पहला प्रोजेक्ट हम वही शोकेस करेंगे विद प्रॉपर इंडिकेशन ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजीज दैट दे आर आस्किंग। ठीक है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू जेडी हमारा जो मास्टर रिज्यूमे से जो हमने डेराइव रिज्यूमे वो चेंज हो जाएगा। ठीक है, this is the core idea of changing one's resume. It's not lying, it's about presenting your resume in such a way that they are asking. Okay, this is the first point. So we'll ask GPT to create our master resume and make it in such a way that it can create a child resume from it, as as we will add as we will add uh, job des- description to it. All right. ठीक है, absolutely, I'll treat this as your master parent resume, a comprehensive source resume containing everything you can legitimately claim, from which we can later generate child resume tailored to individual JDs. I reviewed your current resume, it establishes your C plus. Okay, ठीक है, Just a second. Okay, let's not get distracted. So, personal summary: computer science graduate with hands-on experience in C++, software development fundamentals, data structures, and technologies, databases. I will change this. So, okay, okay, I'll change this. Since I want to apply for technical roles first, right? I don't want this in my resume. Okay, I don't want it in this into my resume. Once I get selected, I can showcase and tell them what I actually did, but I don't need it right now. Or maybe I'll not tell them as well, because what matters at last is your interview and how well you perform in that. And if the people who are looking for you, looking for your skill, they will hire you no matter what. Right? Especially in startups world, this is the case. So So I'll keep these things, but strong foundation in problem solving, object oriented programming, database. But I will remove this professional experience at Wipro. I will remove this. Let me just tell. Switching this. Remove this line and add something that a software developer would have done. So what does it changes? Computer science, software development fundamentals, developed and debug software application. Okay. Developed and debugged software application and implemented algorithms and data structures, worked with databases and web technologies, and applied object-oriented programming and software engineering. Good, great. Okay, it's good. Now let's change. We'll accept it. Okay, this is got changed. The technical skills is C++, C, JavaScript, HTML, SQL. I don't want this as well. Okay. Let's change this as well. Content according to defined platform. Change this entirely. Make experience of a developer. Right. Alrighty. So everything is changed. Let's see what developed and maintained software component for large scale digital platform. Clients using established development practices, analyzed function requirements. Okay, so Developed and maintained software components for large scale digital platforms. Client using established development practices, analyzed functional requirements, and translate them into reliable, maintainable, and scalable software solution. Designed, implemented, tested, and debugged application features while following coding standards and project guidelines. Investigated software defects, performed root cause analysis, and implemented fixes to improve application stability and performance. Collaborated with cross-functional teams to clarify requirements, review solutions, and support timely delivered of development tasks. Collaborated with cross-functional teams to clarify requirements, review solutions, support a timely deliver to development tasks. Practice in code reviews, documentation, testing, and continuous improved agile process driven environment will accept this. Okay, so easily we can change whatever we require. GPT will help with us, and later what we'll do, we will humanize this. So whatever we have made till now, it is not perfect for the ATS because ATS are now AI friendly. Matlab, they don't prefer AI resumes. So we will humanize it. We'll try to make it ourselves, or we will tell AI to humanize itself. Alright. Change it as software development internship for me. Okay. We'll change this as well. So it was something like educational program. Anyway, internship are not counted as the experience. So I can talk about anything over here, and most of the company are not going to take it seriously. So it's good that I write it. And BJV has also happened to the last company, so I don't think so it will be matter a lot to the people who are going to review my resume. So this is the first step. Change it as a software development internship for me. Right, internship for me. Let's do and make it in such a way that it does not exactly matches to my top experience. So it is a combustion process, right? It will take time. This is the reality. And if you try to bypass it, your job will also get bypassed. You will not get any job. Okay. So this is the first step, to be patient and do whatever the things that is required, which we lag and which we should do every day, but we couldn't because of our laziness. So supported software development. So here changed to supported. So here it said developed and maintained, and in my internship it's saying supported. Okay, so this is the basic difference. In internship you only support to the company. Supported software development activities by assisting with application related task, and technical problem solving. Okay. Worked with existing code and project requirement to understand functionality and identify areas for improvement. Okay. Technical observation and communicated progress issues and implement team. So I'll accept it as okay. Great. My work experience have been changed, but it will not fit into one page. I think it over explained the entire thing. Entirely. I will remove this. We don't want this. It's completely extra, and I don't think so. Anybody wants to know this. Okay. Here, accept all. So here it is. Professional summary, technical skills, work experience, my education, my certification. Why this is fucking experience. Okay. Using my resume font is repeated. Make it one final resume. So here it is my final master resume, which is completed as a software developer. Right. Okay. Client. The fuck? Didn't changed. I want this resume. This exact resume. I didn't understand. I didn't get it. I'll copy this, paste this. Master resume page PDF. One mistake GPT had made it. It made it too long. It made it a bit long. So we have to make it short. Okay. Okay. This is good. First. Professional summary. Computer science experience. Okay, this is not good. I wanted it in one line. I just want to change this. Stating exactly it wants. So it updated. Let's see. Okay. Languages data. Now it's better. I want to remove this Java and Python as well. It is not required as of now. HTML, CSS, React, Express, JS is fine, but I don't want Java and Python for now. C++, C and JavaScript are fine. Right. Others, web scraping, network packet analysis, professional communication, negotiation, persuasion. It's fine. Nobody really cares. GitHub, beautiful soup. OpenGL, OpenCV, ML and machine learning, K means clustering, data mining, information retrieval and processing. Okay, it's fine. So it will act as a master resume. Alright. So in 26 minutes we have made one master resume, and it is going to be very important piece of art. Let me just delete the previous one. Alright. Here you can see it has all the things. Professional summary, computer science graduate with hands-on experience in C++, software development fundamentals, data structures and algorithms, right? Web technologies, databases and computer science concepts, experience in developing C++, OpenGL simulation algorithm applications and data-driven projects, developed and debugged software applications. We just have it's a bit perfect. It's really nothing to change. You just have to add the URLs of GitHub and link. Okay, let it give the URLs of it. And link. GitHub. This is my GitHub. This is my LinkedIn. Edit as such. It is hyperlink and masked with GitHub. I don't know if GPT can do this or not. I'll just test it. If it can't do that, I'll make it by my own self. So I just want to make a hyperlink on GitHub. So whenever I click to GitHub or LinkedIn, it will go to my page. Alright, this is the thing. LinkedIn. So let's check whether it able to make it or not. Right. Okay. Here it is not working. Let me download it. Maybe it will work there. Yeah, it is working. So GPT has made us a master resume. Alright. And it's a good master resume at my consideration. Right. Let's ask from Gemini as well. Gemini as well. What he has to say about it. right? So always take multiple, like, preferences. I don't have exactly word for it. Like, always look for multiple responses from multiple AI. It will give you a perspective that you need, right? Sometimes one AI can has hallucinate and give you wrong answers. Sometimes it doesn't want to work. So we'll ask Gemini how it is. Can you review my resume and tell me what changes I can make over here in formatting and different aspect aspect related to related to first of all, okay, I'm in trouble with my legs. Related to perspective aspects. I mean beautification of my resume, and then tell me what content of my resume can be changed. Is a detailed review of your resume focusing on visual formatting. Okay, so the correct word is visual formatting, perspective beautification, and content optimization to help you transit into software engineering role. Okay. Formatting and visual reduce clutter and white space balance. The layout is text heavy with dense block. Increase margins slightly or use cleaner spacing between sections to make it easier for recruiters to scan and succeed. Okay, use hyperlinks and that into icon and name header. Repetitive. A massive and list almost everything under the sun. Like keyword stuffing. This is the word keyword stuffing. So earlier, like last day, I want to tell one person about this stuff. It is known as keyword stuffing. I have to write it down. ठीक है. So keyword stuffing क्या होता है? Keyword stuffing में when a job seeker try to overwrite the skills, ठीक है, इसमें क्या होता है कि you push it lot of skills in one bucket. इसमें क्या होता है कि uh, you will be flagged or you will be not be selected. This is the first thing. You will not be get shortlisted because keyword stuffing is there. So you added a lot of keyword, but since we are making a master resume, it's fine. When we will derive the child resume from it, we will remove this keyword stuffing stuff. Okay. Let me tell to ChatGPT as well. Skills keyword stuffing. Master resume. But when I will derive a child resume, I want it to vanish, and it only important skills to be highlighted. ठीक है. Make a video out of it. So while making a resume, one thing you might get. Yes. So I'm making a reel right now. Let me create a reel and a short video about keyword stuffing because it's very important. skills of yours, but ATS sees that you have added many skills flagged as keyword stuffing. Your resume is automatically get get dumped. You never get shortlisted. What to do? Make a master resume and add all the skills over there and derive child resumes from it and add only the skills that has been asked in the in the JD and some support to it skills. That's it. One second. Don't overrate your skills. It will kill your chances to get shortlisted. Okay, so while creating a resume, you might think to add multiple skills, right? You want multiple skill, but when an ATS see that you have added many skills, it get flagged as keyword stuffing, and your resume is automatically get dumped, and you never get shortlisted. So what to do? So you should make a master resume and add all the skills over there and derive child resume from it for specific jobs. So whatever the skill required in one JD, you took the skills out of it and add some supported skills over there and remove the excess skills. So let's say the JD is asking for Java. All right, so just add Java, C++, C, remove Python and JavaScript from that, right? So it will increase your chances not to get flagged by ATS as a keyword stuffing. Fuck it. In this stream tomorrow we'll do stream and start applying. Our master resume is done, right? And we have learned about keyword stuffing. So this is great for today. We'll do the live stream tomorrow and start applying with the child resumes. All right.